Greetings again from another beautiful beach in Sardinia. This is a small one called Spiaggia, and it has a very nice sunset overview. This is my third beach for today that I'm exploring in Cagliari, Sardinia. I was walking along the coast earlier today, and it's now time for the last beach, or actually this can be classified as the closest beach to the center of Cagliari. It is 21st of October 2025 and 25 degrees Celsius both in the air and in the sea. And this is yet another beach adventure with Chris from Cagliari, Sardinia. Wonderful warm day indeed, and close to here there is one other beach on the map called Scala Bernat that looked amazing, but it's impossible to get to the beach because the entrance is from a private property. So this one was a good alternative as I was first aiming for Scala Bernat. And not so far away from here we have Cala Moscada and also Cala Figuera. We also have some graffiti here at the very end of the beach and cactus on the other side. And there is even a parking up front. Currently only 2 cars on this Tuesday, 21st of October. So we are ready for yet another beach adventure with Chris. Today is my first full day in Cagliari, and I was exploring the city earlier today. I arrived yesterday evening. It's a 3-hour and 15-minute flight, direct one from Stockholm, Arlanda to Cagliari, with Ryanair, very cheap also. And I'm staying at a private property, at a private house in the antique or the ancient part of the city. I have a private room and a wonderful breakfast. So I have a good night's sleep, to say the least. Now let's check out the sea here at Spiaggia. I think this one is the best beach so far when it comes to sand and also wilderness. I also visited the Cala Figuera, which is a nudist beach, but it's not so easily accessible. And then I also visit Cala Moscada, which is probably the worst. And now here at Spiaggia, as it is written on the map. And you can check out also here the coast. On that end it continues to its some rocks, and Cala Bernat is around the corner as well. So Spiaggia and another beach adventure in Cagliari with Chris. So are we ready for a swim in the sea? I already did 2 swims, 20 minutes each at the previous 2 beaches, so now I'm going to do 20 more minutes as well, as it seems like the sun is here to stay as we are entering the golden hour. It is 5:30 p.m. today, and earlier today there was a cruise ship at the port of Cagliari, so there were lots of tourists earlier today, but the cruise ship, I think, departed at 4 from Cagliari, so they didn't have that much time, I guess, the cruisers. Okay, so from this nice beach in Cagliari, it's time for Chris to take a swim. Oh, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. Okay, if I'm going to be completely fair, it's not probably the best. Cagliari doesn't have the best beaches on the island. There are a lot more beautiful beaches around, but for me it's a bit hard without a driving license to go and visit those. Tomorrow I will try to go to more beautiful beaches. If not, there is one long, huge beach here in Cagliari. It's called Puerto, and that I'm gonna do one of the 2 upcoming days. As I'm departing actually home on Friday, but it's a 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. flight, so I don't think I will be able to do beach adventure that morning, as there are no beaches in the central part of Cagliari, and I need to be also on the airport in good time. Okay, so that's a wrap from this amazing secluded beach, I would say, not so popular, Spiaggia or something. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach adventures, it's crazy!